The Great Road Trip. Early morning in a small town. The sun is rising. John and Mary are packing their car, a classic 1950 sedan.
Mary, did you pack the camera?
Yes, John. And the maps too.
Mr. Thompson, the local mechanic, walks over.
Morning, you two. Ready for your big trip?
Yes, Mr. Thompson. Just checking everything.
Do you have any advice for us?
Well, always keep an eye on your gas gauge.
Mr. Thompson hands them a map.
And this map. It's old but good.
Thank you, Mr. Thompson.
They say goodbye and start the car.
Here we go, Mary. Our adventure begins.
I'm so excited, John.
They drive out of town, smiling and happy. Suddenly, the car makes a strange noise.
Oh no, what's that sound?
Let's stop and check.
John looks under the hood.
Is it serious, John?
Just a loose wire. I can fix it.
Mary hands him some tools.
Got it. That should do it.
Good job, John.
They continue their journey.
We did it, Mary. First challenge done.
Yes, we make a great team.
The car rolls on, heading towards new adventures. Fields and hills pass by their windows.
Look at that view, Mary.
It's beautiful, John. So different from home.
They drive into the countryside. The sun is shining, and the road is open ahead. They drive towards their first major destination, excited for what's next. John and Mary drive into the Midwest. Wide fields and farms everywhere.
Look at the fields, Mary. So different.
Yes, John. It's beautiful here.
They stop at a farm.
Hello there. Need help?
Yes, our car needs water.
Can we help you in return?
The farmer smiles.
Sure, you can feed the chickens.
We'd love to.
They learn about farm life.
Would you like some lemonade?
Yes, please. It's hot today.
Thank you. This is refreshing.
They share stories with the farmer's family.
There's a festival in town today.
A festival? Sounds fun.
Let's go, John.
At the festival, music plays.
Look, John, dancers.
And the food smells great.
They try local dishes.
This pie is delicious.
I like the barbecue.
They listen to a country band.
Let's dance, John.
I'm not a good dancer, but okay.
They laugh and dance. Evening comes, they find a diner.
Welcome, travelers.
It's a nice diner.
What do you recommend?
Our famous burgers.
They enjoy dinner and talk with locals.
You're not from here.
No, we're on a road trip.
You should visit the old lake. It's beautiful at sunrise.
Thanks. We will.
They leave the diner, excited.
John, let's camp by the lake.
Great idea, Mary.
They drive to the lake. Stars shine brightly above.
This is amazing, John.
Yes, Mary. A perfect day.
They sleep in their car, dreaming of tomorrow. John and Mary reach the American West. mountains, deserts, and wide roads.
The landscapes are so different here.
Yes, it's like another world.
They drive through national parks.
Look, John, the big trees.
Amazing. They are so tall.
They meet a group of motorcyclists.
Where are you headed?
To the Pacific coast.
Follow us. We'll show you a great view.
They ride together, wind in their hair.
This is exciting, John.
Yes, what a friendly group.
They reach a stunning overlook.
This is our favorite spot.
It's beautiful. Thank you.
They continue to the coast. They arrive at a beachside town.
The ocean, Mary. We made it.
It's so blue and vast.
They meet a beachside artist.
Welcome to the West Coast.
Your paintings are lovely.
Thank you. The ocean inspires me.
We've traveled from the East Coast.
That's a long journey. What have you learned?
So much. About places and people.
And about ourselves, too.
They walk on the beach.
Remember the farm, John?
Yes, and the festival in the Midwest.
And now the Pacific Ocean.
They watch the sunset.
This trip was a dream, Mary.
Yes, a beautiful dream.
They feel happy and tired.
Let's stay here tonight, John.
Yes, let's watch the stars.
They sit on the beach. Stars shine over the ocean. They sleep, listening to the waves. In the morning, they feel grateful.
This journey was unforgettable.
Yes, I will always remember it.
They pack their car again.
Ready to go home, Mary?
Yes, with so many memories.
They start their journey back, full of stories to tell. Thank you for watching.